continue to intensify our actions around Prayer Day last year. One of the things that we're looking to do is to put more boots on the ground. So we would have started recruitment of our agricultural wardens, which will be police officers who are tasked with apprehending, prosecuting agricultural crimes. So what they will be, we've started, we already had our first recruitment drive in Westmoreland. We will identify the areas where we have hotspots, where we have a lot of incidents of Prayer Day last year, and we will deploy these police officers in those areas so that we have more boots on the ground. Already we've seen that through the work of the JCF with the Prayer Day last unit, the plan is to have an agricultural protection division that will be an entity that focuses solely on agricultural crime. But we have seen increases in arrests, we've seen increases in initiatives. In fact, this week we saw that our police officers were able to apprehend some men who were looking to transport stolen goats. About 40 goats were recovered, and I really want to commend the police officers from Manchester, Clarendon, who worked together on that operation. We do know it continues to still be a big problem, but that is why we have already taken steps to increase the penalties around Prayer Day last related offences, and we're going to take some more steps with the Prayer Day last Prevention Act in terms of some amendments that we will bring before the end of the financial year. So I want to assure the farmers that we're working with the JCF to strengthen our support around Prayer Day last, and you will see more good things happen over the course of the next few months and into next year.